Hey guys, so LeECO announced the LeECO S1 Pro. The smartphone's design is heavily influenced by the iPhone 14 Pro. The phone is available in sunny blue and titanium black colors, and it's going to be launching officially on January 17th, 2023. So I'm just going to quickly tell you the specs of the LeECO S1 Pro. The phone comes with a 6.5-inch IPS LCD display. The resolution is HD+. The display also features a P-shaped notch in front, which is similar to that of the iPhone 14 Pro's dynamic island. Man. The refresh rate is 60 Hz. It is powered by the Unisoc T7510 SoC, paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of onboard storage. One thing that I actually found out online is that if you look at the rear of the phone, you discover that the phone appears to have triple rear cameras. But the thing is, it's actually a single camera, guys. A single 13-megapixel camera. The other two lenses are dots, and it comes with a 5-megapixel selfie camera. It is backed up by a 5000 mAh battery, and it supports 10 watts USB Type-C wired charging. And the phone also runs on an unspecified Android-based operating system, and it comes with HMS, also known as Huawei Mobile Services. The phone is 9.5mm thick, and it weighs 209.5 grams. The device is available for about 899 Chinese yen. That's about $135 or $34. And like I mentioned earlier, it's going to be launching on January 17th. 2023. What are your thoughts about this iPhone 14 Pro Wannabe? Share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.